Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, it's me Shreya. So today's video I'm going to ASMR unbox my new Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and I'll share a detailed review on the features, not just in pen and paper but in reality as well. Along with that, I'll show you how to set up your phone when you are actually switching from iOS to Android, and as well as I'll be sharing with you all the phone accessories like the tempered glass as well as the back covers along with phone charms. So stay tuned and let's dive straight to the video. So this device has a 6.7-inch display with 1.5K true colors, quad curved display, 4500 nits, peak brightness, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, water touch support. It is backed by MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Extreme 4 nanometer octa-core processor. The RAM of my variant is 12 GB with 256 GB storage and LPDDR 5x RAM boost. It has a vapor cooling chamber as well. The battery is quite impressive as it's 6000 mAh and charger provided in the box is 90-watt turbo charger, and it also supports 15-watt wireless charging and 5-watt reverse wired charging. Now coming to the camera, the rear has a triple camera setup where it has 50 megapixel main camera Sony LYTIA 700 COIS with 50 megapixel ultra wide plus macro and 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical and 50x super zoom. The front camera is great with 50 megapixel selfie. It can record video up to 4K 30 FPS both front and rear. Now coming to the design part, it has a metal frame and vegan leather back, IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance with MIL STD 810H military grade durability and Pantone certified color options. It comes with Android 15 with Hello UI, which is clean and customizable, has separate button for Moto AI and Moto Secure features. For now, Motorola has promised 3 Android OS updates and 4 years of security patches. The best part is it has dual 5G physical SIM slot, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4 and NFC USB-C port. Audio is supposed to be great, but I didn't feel though, as it has dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, but I don't know why the speakers were not that great. I paid rupees 34,127 with secure packaging from Flipkart. Now guys, let's quickly set up my phone and accessorize it with tempered glass back cover and phone charms. So guys, for the phone setup, you have to follow the on-screen instruction, and you have to keep clicking on yes option and next option, and you can turn off the advertising options as no. And you need to select Wi-Fi, connect to your Wi-Fi, give the password, and also set up your Google account as well. You need to give your email ID and password and set it up. And another thing is, when you will set up your Android device from iOS, you need to click select that option. There you will get two options, wherein either via cable or via QR code. As I don't have any USB type C to lightning cable, hence I selected the QR code option. So you will see that it will give me a QR code for my phone setup. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave comments and let me know how you feel about this video. Bye bye.